This Mitchell Realty property video is presented by DeeDee Waldo. Big and beautiful. This one has it all! 4 large bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms, a huge family room / den, 3 wood-burning fireplaces, gorgeous kitchen with wine frig, commercial frig / freezer that will stay, 3 ovens. The laundry room is plumbed / fitted for 2 washer and dryers and even a pet washing area. The 4th bedroom closet is also a 8x9 safe room. The list of updates / extras in this home goes on and on. It is ready to move right in and start enjoying all the beautiful touches and finishes. For more information, review the details below or contact DeeDee Waldo at 806-236-7918.